Raindrop Gang. It's your girl, Miss Raindrops, and I'm back with another video. Hey, prank video. Prank video. Hey, prank video. But today, your girl is pranking her husband. Yes, y'all, I'm pranking my husband. I got some Nerf guns, and I'm about to be shooting him with the Nerf guns. And mind you, he's at work. So when he get off and he gonna walk through the door, I'm gonna just start shooting him with the gun. Like, I don't know how he gonna react, because I know he gonna be tired. But I don't know if he just gonna take the gun back and start shooting me back like we used to fight in the house, or is he just gonna get mad or something. I don't know, but I'm still about to prank him, you know? So I guess we all about to see his reaction. So, yeah. But what he usually do when he come home is come in the room, whatever, and chill. But I do have a camera set up in the room because I'm going to be following him. Like, I'm going to aggravate the heck out of him, y'all. So, you know. But y'all make sure y'all like, comment, let your girl know how I'm doing, you know, like let me know like what I'm doing, you know. And y'all make sure y'all subscribe. Like, if you are new here, hey boo, how you doing? Like, y'all subscribe, because if y'all haven't subscribed yet, what y'all doing? Y'all hit that subscribe button, because I'm gonna be dropping them bangers back to back. Okay. Anywho, yeah, y'all leave a comment and y'all subscribe. And y'all make sure y'all turn the post notifications on, okay? Because I remember before when I said I was going to start doing some shout outs, I am going to start back for that. You know, start doing shout outs back for y'all. Like, so y'all got to comment and let me know y'all post notifications are turned on. And I will give you a shout out at the end of my videos. So most likely starting this video. Like, y'all leave a comment and let me know y'all post notifications turned on. And I'll pick somebody like every video and do a shout out. So my next video, it could be you who'll get a shout out. Okay, boo. But let me go ahead and set up the camera right now, and I'm gonna call him to see exactly where he at. Because it's around the time where he get off of work. So let me call and see if he's still at work or he already got off. Because, you know, I ain't trying to be setting up and whatnot. And he pop up on me like, dang, a prank going wrong. So no, we ain't trying to have that, okay? So let me go ahead and set up for you guys and whatnot, and I will see y'all back in a minute. All right, Raindrop Gang, he just pulled up, so he downstairs. So, and I got the camera set up and everything, and I got the other camera on. So let's get it, y'all. Y'all gonna see his reaction. Look at it. Look. You got really good.
Oh, damn it! Stop! Shit!
Are you mad? Huh?
Keep on, cause I got my thing stashed in this load. So black behind.
Dad.
What?
Are you tired?
Yeah. You wanna play this shit?
Oh, babe.
Oh. Alright. Move, man. Oh. I'm not shooting now. Go ahead. Give it. Go right on ahead. I don't want to play for. God, I could have gave me 5 minutes to sit down. Move! Oh!
Alright, y'all see his reaction. Are you mad? Say something. Look. Say Team Raindrops. Come on, babe. Alright, y'all. As y'all see, he didn't fight me back like I thought he was, but y'all heard him. Y'all heard his reaction. Y'all heard his reaction. So go in the comment section below and drop Team Raindrops. Because stop. Okay. Okay, y'all. Stop it. Alright, y'all. So that's the end of the video. So y'all make sure y'all like, comment. Okay, calm down, dude. What? Hey. Y'all. Y'all see him? Y'all see my shotgun? Yes. It's loaded. Yeah, I told you to stop. Dude, just say Team Raindrops. It'll be alright. Ouch. Ow. Oh, y'all see my girl? Look, you gonna get it? Huh? Where you running to? Where you going? And she got happy, as y'all could tell. Them are my girls, y'all. Alright, y'all. So I think I'm about to end this right here. As you see, he came back for me. So, Team Raindrops in the comment section. Not Team Birthday Kids or Team Drip Boy. Team Raindrops. So, if y'all like this, y'all let me know what y'all think. And we're coming back with them bangers all 2K19. So, deuces.